Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. This time we are gonna see a code how to convert any binary number to its equivalent decimal or base 10 number. So here this time I'm not writing code myself in this video. Instead I'm just elaborating the code which I have written. So initially I have initialized some variables, and now I am just asking for the user to get input. Suppose the user inputs 1010, the binary number. How can we do the conversion? Basically 1010 would be like this: 1010, 0 multiplied by 2 raised to 0 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 1. So equivalent parts of 2 multiplied with the respective digits added to all of them. And so this is the basic way. So now I'm gonna explain the code here. So basically this is what temp assign n modulo 10. So here if you can see the last bit 0 0 was multiplied with 2 raised to power 0. So here in my code, p does the work for the power of 2. Here as you can see, the power of 2 raised to 0 is 1, so p assign 1. So in temp the last bit will be multiplied with the least powers, like 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1, and carry on. So p would be 1 initially, and in some initially it was 0, so the sum would be added. As you can see in here, there is a gradual addition in all those bits, all those numbers. So as I have here explained in a little bit, 1010 modulo 10 would be 0. The last I am getting the last bit, multiplied by 2 raised to 0, which is 1. So this is the value of p, plus the value of sum was 0. Now in my code here I have written n assign n divided by 10, so that the number 1010 can be put down to 101. Then here again 101 modulo 10, I want to get the second last bit, or I can say the first bit of the second part of n, so which would be 1. 1 multiplied by 2, which was 2 raised to power 1. So here p becomes 2, plus initially the sum was 0 in the first iteration. Now the sum becomes 2. Again doing the same manipulations, I will get n equals to 10. Then again 10 modulo 10 would be 0. I will get the third last bit. So again p, as you can say that here p gets manipulated every time, p multiplied by 2. So p acts as the power for 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, and finally I have printed the sum. So let's run this code and see how we can get the output. Here the compiler runs, and 1010, it would be 10. So this was the basic code of 30 lines. I have not added any unnecessary lines into this code. And if you face any kind of problem, please comment and ask me. Here in for, you can say that I have not written anything in the initialization condition and the increment, because it is not necessary, because only the basic condition which compiler checks is this, the middle one. So that's all for the today's code. Thank you.